Plastic pollution is one of the major issues that we are facing right now. We are having a lot of plastic in our waste bins. We are having a lot of plastic in the streets, in the oceans, in our food. It's also present in our drinking water and causes a lot of diseases. Everywhere we are filled with plastic bags, and everywhere we see plastic pollution. But plastic causes different hazardous effects that is harmful for our body. Our oceans and rivers are also polluted with plastic. Plastic is polluting the natural life, the seabirds, and the fishes. 17.6 billion pound plastic is thrown in the sea, and annually 8.3 billion tons of plastic is produced, that is equal to 1.8 tons elephants or 47 million whales, and it goes into the rivers, streams and oceans and polluting our natural environment. The plastic gradually broke into the pieces and became the microplastic, and the microplastic also remains in the ocean and also disturbs the marine life. Around 60% of the whales are affected. Around 90% of the seabirds are affected by plastic. Researchers have shown that the plastic is also present in our food, in our drinking water, and in the air we breathe. Now coming towards the solution, what is the solution of plastic pollution? We should ban the plastic bags, we should use plastic free bags. We have to recycle the plastic. Around 9% of total plastic has been recycled. If we take all the waste and we recycle it, we can generate a lot of revenue that helps in the development of a country. And we all have to do that for the betterment and for the cleaner Pakistan. There is another way to reduce the plastic pollution, that is we can introduce some bacteria, plastic eating bacteria, that can reduce PET to energy and carbon molecules, that can help us in reduction of plastic pollution.